In today's video, we're talking about UM or UIM insurance, which stands for uninsured motorist or underinsured motorist insurance coverage in the state of Arizona. There's a provision under the Arizona revised statutes that's very important. It's ARS 20-263. I'm going to read the exact language from the law, but specifically what we're looking at. What happens if you are in an accident and you are not able to recover from the party who hit you, from the party who was at fault? So they hit you, you are injured, you have property damage, you have personal injuries, but their insurance is not able to cover all of the damages. You have substantially more injuries. What do? Some people who come to our office, they're very afraid of filing a claim with their own insurance. They have coverage for it, meaning they have uninsured motorist if the other party was not insured, or underinsured motorist coverage. So if the party was not able to cover their loss, their insurance should provide for it. But they don't want to file a claim against their own insurance. Why? Because they're afraid that their insurance company is going to raise their rates, and they're going to be paying for that over the rest of their lives, over the course of the rest of their lives, which of course can be very expensive. You don't want to be paying higher insurance premiums if you were not at fault for the accident. So the law covers this. The law says, under Arizona revised statutes 20-263, you can put this in the Internet Explorer, the Google browser, Chrome, whatever you've got. It's going to show up, and this is the exact language from it. So let's read it. No insurer shall increase the motor vehicle insurance premium of an insured, so that's you, as a result of an accident not caused or significantly contributed to by the actions of the insured. One more time. No insurer shall increase the motor vehicle insurance premium of an insured as a result of an accident not caused or significantly contributed to by the actions of the insured. The moral of the story, the lesson that we can take away from this, if you were not at fault, if you did not substantially contribute to the accident, your insurer cannot raise your premiums. They can't do that. It's in the law. It's 20-263. I'm not making it up. You can look it up yourself. You can file a UM or a UIM claim, and your insurance company, by law, cannot raise your rates. So what happens if they do? These insurance companies are private entities. What happens if you get an increase in rates after you file a claim? The law covers that. It says, any raise in rates as a result of any accident shall be, the insurance agency shall notify you as to the reason for the increase. So if you resolve a claim, they send you a bill and your insurance rates increased, you have a right to be notified as to why. Why did your rates go up? If there's other reasons that the insurer can point to, things like a number of traffic tickets or something, they can identify those. But if it's as a result of the accident, they cannot do it. If they do, you can actually move forward and request a refund. You can go through a government agency and get a refund. You can be reimbursed. So you can be entitled under ARS 20-263B, entitled to a refund, and the government can continue to do a further investigation into that insurance provider. It makes total sense. Why are you paying for that type of coverage if you are not entitled to it, or if they're going to penalize you for claiming it? The whole reason you get uninsured motorist or UIM underinsured motorist coverage is so that in the incident, in the event that a person causes an accident to you, you're protected, you're covered. You're paying a premium for that. Your insurance company cannot penalize you for using what you're paying for. It's written in the law. It still is a question that we get all the time. People don't want their insurance rates to go up. They're very scared of the insurance companies. Part of the reason you need an attorney if you've been involved in an accident. So if you have been involved in an accident and you're considering filing a UM or a UIM claim, give our office a call. We are definitely able to review your case. We'll see what the other provider has from the party who is at fault. We'll review your own policy, make sure that we can get you properly compensated, make sure we can get your medical problems treated, make sure we can compensate for all your pain and suffering, and get you back on your feet. We offer free case evaluations, so give our office a call. We look forward to speaking with you soon. Thanks for watching.